Hey fellow backyard warriors, Nick here. I've been getting a lot of requests to do some bamboo arrows. So I've got some bamboo arrow videos that I'm working on right now. In the meantime, I wanted to do a little show and tell and show you guys this arrow. So this is an old Japanese arrow. It's about 100 years old and it was made for Kyudo. This is probably made for somebody about as tall as I am, maybe a touch shorter. As you can see, it's a nice, comfortable draw for me. I have 6 of these that I got as a set, and they are absolutely stunning. So just for comparison, I have a modern commercial bamboo shaft, and it's straight. It's what I would consider wooden arrow straight, but not as straight as this one. And this is almost exactly a 400 spine in terms of deflection, which I thought was really amazing when I tested this arrow, that it's so close to one of the standard measurements for arrows today. So very precise. Every part of this arrow is just well made and well put together. It appears that a layer of paper or some kind of material was glued onto the shaft. Then the feathers were glued onto that, and then another layer of the same material was wrapped onto the front and the back. And this is all probably put together with rice glue. So all these different layers would help protect it and keep moisture out. And here, right before the knock, you can see there's a very fine thread binding. And up here you can see that the knock is made of horn. And look at how small that knock is. The string that this fits on is just under 1/8 of an inch thick. It has an interesting point. Now, one of my other arrows is broken, so the tip is partially exposed. And this target point is put together very interestingly. It has an outer portion like a sleeve, and then it has an inner portion like a tang that goes down the shaft a ways. So it's both inside of the shaft, but covers a little bit on the outside. And it's a really nice, well thought out target point. And you can see the shaft is really nice and straight. I'm not entirely sure what the finish is, but it's a very nice dark finish that was applied to this arrow. And then whatever is coating this arrow has done a good job in protecting it. And here you can see the fletchings. And here's a close-up of the horn knot with those thread bindings. So these arrows are made out of a specific type of bamboo. It's called yadake, and here in the US it's called Japanese arrow bamboo, and it's commonly sold for putting up privacy screens and fences or for landscaping because it grows really straight, really fast, but it's not super aggressive. So here I have some Japanese arrow bamboo that a friend of mine collected for me about 6 months ago. So it's been drying, and now it's just about the point where I can start working on it. So once I get started on these, I'll bring you guys along as we build an entire set of arrows from start to finish. So here it is. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at this arrow with me today. A huge thanks to everyone who's helping support the channel through Patreon, my books, and the Teespring store. We put links in the description to all of those. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.